Hello friends, welcome back to Mothermade channel. Friends, today we will make very low cost and with high quality washing powder with a new formula. Please watch full video. So let's start. For making washing powder, I have taken an empty vessel. Now I am adding soda ash in it. This is soda ash. This is also called sodium carbonate. It is easily available in the industrial chemical shops. The quantity of soda ash should be 400 gram. Now I am adding salt in it. You can take any salt. The quantity of salt should be 450 gram. Then mix it properly. Now I am adding oxalic acid in it. This is oxalic acid. See the texture. It is also available in the industrial chemical shops easily. The quantity of oxalic acid should be 30 gram. Then mix it properly. Now I am adding acid slurry in it. The quantity of acid slurry should be 70 ml. It is also called lapsa and it is also easily available in the industrial chemical shops. Again, mix it properly. Now I am adding SLES in it. The quantity of SLES should be 30 ml. See the texture, it is transparent in color. See, this is SLES. See. I am mixing it with hand because it is not mixing properly with the spoon. Please remember, wear gloves before mixing it with hands. At this stage, you can add water-based color in it, but I am not adding in it. Now, I am adding perfume in it. Now I am adding color granules in it. You can take any color of your choice. Many colors are available in the market. The quantity of color granules should be 20 gram. You can increase the quantity or decrease the quantity according to your choice. Now washing powder is ready. Isn't it easy? Now let's see pH level of this washing powder. For that I have taken pH paper. Now I have taken some water in this bowl. Now I am adding a small quantity of washing powder in this water. I am dipping this pH paper in this washing powder. Now I am showing you the close-up. See, the pH level is coming around 8 and 8 is perfect. Friends, now I am showing you the quality of washing powder. For that I have taken some amount of water in a vessel. Then I am putting a small quantity of washing powder in water and mixing it. See the quality. Friends, did you like my video? Friends, you can make this washing powder in a very low cost because we have used very few ingredients and you can make it easily. It's only a mixing process. Friends, if you like my video, please click the like button and share my video with all your friends and relatives. And friends, if you had not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon there. Please press the bell icon also. After pressing the bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press the all button which is shown on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video in future. So if you want to see my future videos, please press the all button. Friends, now we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.